Good day, grade 5 learners. How are you? My name is Teacher Joyce, your EPP teacher. Last meeting, we already talked about Lesson 5, the identifying opportunities for business at home and in the community. Before we proceed on our next lesson, I want you to observe and see the different kinds of businesses in your neighborhood, in the market, or in the shopping malls in the different places. As you can see, there are different types of business we see everywhere, di ba? Makakakita tayo sa mga kapitbahay natin, sa community natin. Maraming iba't ibang klase ng mga negosyo na nakikita natin. Have you ever considered classifying them into different types or kinds? Or someday when you put up a business you are interested in, do you know what type of business you would want to go into? Did you know that there are two general types of business, namely products and services? This lesson will provide you basic information about products and services and how we will meet the needs and wants of the community. Our lesson for today is Lesson 6, the meaning and differences of products and services. Products are usually referred to as goods, commodities, or merchandise. So these are the products that are widely used, yung mga goods and commodities na to. When we say products, they are produced in farms or manufactured in factories. When we say product, they are produced by nature and are harvested from fruits and vegetable farms, fish from ponds and seas, and animals from backyards and farms. Some of these harvests are processed in factories that in form of canned and bottled goods. Examples of products, mga nakikita nyo sa screen, mga fruits, vegetables, fish, different kinds of meat, no? Yung mga process na mga food natin ay example ng products. On the other hand, services are activities or process that are provided for using one's expertise, knowledge, and skills in specific area, a job, a profession, or occupation to create, build, improve, shape, and transform objects. Kung sa product kanina, they are referred as goods, commodities, no, and merchandise, mga nahahawakang mga bagay, tangible things. Dito naman sa services, 'di ba? Dito yung inyong expertise, yung knowledge and skills mo naman, ang yung ginagawang negosyo. Example of this are plumbing, carpentry, masonry, fixing a car, doing a surgery in a hospital, or styling a hair, at marami pang iba like yung mga mananahe, mga dressmaker, or yung mga nagpipintura ng mga bahay, 'di ba? Yung mga nag-tutoring, yan ay iba't ibang uri ng services. Now, we are going to talk about more the differences between products and services. Ano nga ba yung pinagkakaiba ng dalawang ito? First, products come to customer, wherein customer come to service, a service, parang baligtad sila. Sa product, stores and preserve, and tangible and concrete. Wherein sa service, it's intangible and experiential, and services cannot be stored. No? In product, they pay for the value they see in it, while in the service, they pay for the value they see in the result as given by the service provider. I hope you learned something about products and services. For your assignment, search and choose 5 product and 5 services that are highly demand right now. Write it on your EPP notebook. I hope you learned something today. Again, my name is Teacher Joyce. Hope to see you soon. Bye!